Have you ever wondered how to start a YouTube channel? Or maybe what you need to start a YouTube channel? Maybe you have said to yourself, this year is gonna be the year. 2024, I'm gonna go for it, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. Or maybe not, I don't know. But watch this video anyways and I will give you my best advice for starting your YouTube channel. First thing we need to do is to create a YouTube channel. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, you probably have a Gmail, a Google account. You can use that one to create your YouTube channel. If not, just make one. It's pretty simple. Just fill in the information, your name, your birth, everything. And you need a backup email to be able to create a Gmail account. And after that, you can easily set up your YouTube channel. Don't you worry, don't stress about your YouTube name. You can always change the name later on. But first, we need to figure out what are you gonna post on that YouTube channel. You want to make vlogs, gaming content, DIY. Maybe you want to bake a cake. I don't know, but try to sit down and think to yourself, okay, what do I want to create on this channel? And remember, this is your YouTube channel. Make sure that you are creating content for you that you feel like is going to be fun. Of course, you can always make a YouTube channel with someone else. My point is that you are really sure of what you're going to post on the channel because you will be posting the same content over and over and over again. It's perfectly fine to to make like 10 videos for yourself that you don't upload to figure out, oh, do I really like to make this type of videos? Do I want to continue on posting this type of videos hundreds and hundreds of times? And if the answer is no, try to rethink, try to do something else. And no, it will not kill the channel if you post a few videos and you change your mind and you post something else in the future. So now you have your channel, you have some videos posted, but what now? Now comes the hard part, is to figure out what works, what doesn't work. And I will tell you, your first videos will not get any views, it will not get any subscribers. I have posted 100 videos on 4 different YouTube channels in the past, and none of the first videos did any good, not even on this channel. My first ever YouTube video on this YouTube channel is me having my birthday and be like, oh, everyone, tell me happy birthday in the comments. No one did. So my point is just post videos, start to record before you are ready. But before you record, there is one more thing that you need to have in mind. Actually, there are 2 more things. Your thumbnail and your title. I want you to, before you record, have in your mind, what is the title of this video going to be like? What is the thumbnail going to be like? Because the most important thing is that you want the viewers to click on your video. And I know for a fact that YouTube has been experimenting with showing smaller channels on the front page now. So there are a bigger chance when you are posting your first video that YouTube will test out your content to see if it works. And if your thumbnail and title doesn't work, people will not click. Think about, okay, what type of content is this? I'm gonna bake a cake. Is it a gaming cake? Is it a wedding cake? What is the flavor? And try to picture in your mind the thumbnail, try to draw it down. You don't need to be an expert at Photoshop. You don't need to have the perfect title. Of course, practice makes perfect. So just keep on posting videos and you will also nail this part. But in the start, try to have in your mind, what is this video going to look like before you record the video? Because then you will match the title, the thumbnail with the video you are creating. When you have your thumbnail and you have a title visualized in your head, probably draw it down on a paper, whatever, you need to plan before you record also. Make a script, make some bullet points, do whatever to at least plan the video out. Make sure that you have some sort of plan, because if you're gonna bake a cake, you have probably done it before, or if you haven't done it before, maybe that's your idea. I try something that I've never done before. That's a cool idea. I'm making a cake, a Super Mario cake. Okay, then you know, I'm gonna make a Super Mario cake, I'm gonna do it this way. Plan it out a bit, because if you don't plan out the video, you will spend hours on like recording and editing it down, and it looks a bit choppy. For example, me, I used to in the past record for like 1.5 hours just to edit it down to like 5 minutes. And that takes a lot of time and that takes a lot of energy, and that's a bit boring, to be honest. But after I started to script my videos, have some bullet points, have some ideas in my head before I record a video, I was much more prepared for the video. I didn't need to record for ½ hour. I just recorded for like 10 to 15 minutes, boom, 5-minute video. and that's much easier and that looks a bit more clean. So make sure that you have some sort of a plan, if it's a script, if it's bullet points, the way you're gonna film the video. It will make it easier to film and edit the video so you don't film forever. Now, after you have filmed and edited your video, you can upload it to YouTube, figure out a cool title and a thumbnail, and boom, your first upload. And if you want to figure out what your niche is, watch this video right here. Please remember to subscribe and leave your favorite emoji or whatever you want to in the comment section, and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. It's beyond. Peace out. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye bye.